Welcome to Kids Storytime with Toys. Today we'll be reading Super Mario and racing Yoshi and Mario. Welcome to the Mushroom Kingdom. This is the place the kind Princess Peach calls home. The princess is popular with the citizens of Mushroom Kingdom. Bowser, the powerful king of the Koopas, often invades the Mushroom Kingdom. Bowser has an entire army to back him up. From Goombas to Hammer Bros and Koopa Troopas, Bowser's goons will do anything he asks to put him on top. Who can possibly save the Mushroom Kingdom from Bowser's awful plots? Why, it's Mario, the brave hero of the Mushroom Kingdom. Bowser is up to his wicked ways again, but Mario is always there to save the day. Mario doesn't have to save the Mushroom Kingdom all by himself. His brother Luigi is always ready to help. Luigi isn't as brave as Mario, but he has the heart of a hero, as long as there are no spooky ghosts around. Mario and Luigi also have Yoshi on their side. Yoshi uses his long tongue to eat up their enemies or any tasty fruit he finds along the way. Yoshi carries Mario far and wide to save the Mushroom Kingdom. By fluttering his legs, Yoshi can jump extra high to reach new areas. Toads come in a variety of colors. They are happy to help Princess Peach. Toads try to protect the Mushroom Kingdom, but they are no match for Bowser. Bowser isn't the only problem facing the Mushroom Kingdom. Mario and his friends also have to worry about piranha plants, buzzy beetles, Koopa Troopers, Spinies, Lactus, Koopa Paratroopas, Chain Chomps, Goombas, and other enemies. The Koopalings are an even bigger obstacle. They are led by Bowser's naughty son, Bowser Jr. They all help Bowser get in Mario's way. It's a good thing that Mario always keeps a power-up handy. The superstar makes him invincible and keeps him safe. The super mushroom lets him turn into his super form. The fire flower lets him throw fireballs. Roar! With Mario around, Bowser's no-good plans will never succeed. The Mushroom Kingdom stays safe thanks to Mario and his friends. The adventure never ends in the Mushroom Kingdom.